Today's project is making pretend paper people. These are people that you cut out of magazines and you shape them so that they can stand up. First thing you're going to need, of course, is some newspapers, catalogs, magazines that have pictures of people in them. Then you'll need a pair of scissors, probably a pencil, and some sticky tape. So let's see what we can do to find some pictures of people. I have a bookmark in here somewhere. There's a person. So what we're going to do is cut her out, and it's usually easier if you can carefully tear the page out of the magazine. That makes it much easier to cut out. And then we're going to cut around, going in a big, wide shape around this person to start with. And we'll take a look at that. I think maybe we want to cut down here a little bit, so let me do that. It doesn't really matter where you cut. You can make your own decision. I like how she has this big turnip in her hand, so I don't want to cut that out, but maybe I'll cut around it more so you can see it better. So there she is. Now the next step is to take a piece of paper, because we're going to mount her on a piece of paper. The paper in magazines and catalogs is often pretty flimsy, so it needs to be backed up by something stiffer. So this is just a piece of scrap paper I had left over, and I'm going to fold it in half lengthwise, like this. And then I want her to be about the same height as this other guy. So make a little mark right about there. Fold this over like that. Now I'm going to cut very carefully along the fold right up to that pencil mark. And then you can see that's going to be the thing that makes her stand upright. Now we're going to put her on there. Now the problem is this photograph cut off her feet. So I think what I'm going to do, I want her to have feet. So I think her feet would probably be right about here. And I'm not very good at drawing feet, but that's good enough. Then I think her other leg goes here. That's pretty good. Now we're going to start sticking her down with tape. And you might think, well, what about using glue sticks? The problem with glue sticks for sticking this kind of thing down is it makes this paper all wrinkly. So I like to use tape better, but if you've got a glue stick and you want to use a glue stick, go right ahead. Now I'm just taping this side, then I'm going to fold it in half and fold her over like that. Now I'm going to tape the other side. Like that. That looks pretty good. Now she looks kind of small in this thing, so I'm going to cut around her. Now what I want to do is tape those together to make the base. Okay, so take a piece of tape and you just tape it however you can. I don't like the way that's sticking out, so I'm going to trim that off. I don't suppose it really matters, but that's the way I want to do it. And put another piece of tape there. And there she is. Now I have two pretend paper people. If I wanted to, I could have got my crayons out and I could have colored in her boots. But I like them just like that. And it doesn't take long until you have a whole bunch of these paper pretend people. I don't know, you can tell little stories with them. Like maybe this guy wants to buy a house and this guy's making the bed in the house. I don't know. And you can find characters that aren't people too. Like this guy is totally awesome. I found him in a magazine. I don't even know what he is, but he can be a part of the pretend paper people as well. And one last thing is sometimes when you make these people, they tend to fall over towards the front. And what you can do is go to the base and just not quite fold it, but crimp it a little bit so that they lean back a little bit. Maybe I'll do her a little more. And then she tends to stay up a little bit better. And that's how to make pretend paper people.